What are key terms and concepts in sociology? Some essential concepts and terms in sociology include 1. Macrosociology 2. Microsociology 3. Culture 4. Values 5. Norms. And 6. Socialization, including primary and secondary. Macrosociology. Key concepts. Macrosociology refers to the large-scale approach to studying sociology. Using a macrosociological approach means sociologists look at the overall structural processes within society. They study the relationships between society and societal processes and systems. Microsociology, key concepts. In contrast, microsociology studies society using a small-scale approach, such as observing and studying human interactions. Interactionists believe that society should be studied in this way, as individuals shape society and not the other way around. Microsociology focuses on the smaller-scale issues, processes within society. Within macrosociology, there are several core terms and concepts that are used to understand society. Culture in macrosociology, key concepts. Culture is a key term often used in macrosociology. Culture refers to the collective ideas, values, customs, norms, knowledge, and practices of a society. Culture can vary immensely, not only across societies, but also within societies. There are many things that can be attributed to culture. Sociologists study culture to gain insight into a society's way of life. Values in macrosociology, key concepts. Values can have a great impact on culture. Values refer to the beliefs and ideas that are important to the person or people holding them. Individuals and societies strive to abide by them, and they can refer to personal values held by individuals or collective values held by societies. A value can act as a guide for behavior. Due to this, it can be extremely beneficial to study a society's values. Following are some examples of values. Goals and achievements as values. In some societies, materialism and being wealthy is an important value, and it guides people's behavior and actions. The American dream is a good example of such a value, as it encourages people to take opportunities, work hard, and achieve material wealth and stability. The value emphasizes that this goal is accessible to everyone. Religious values. Some societies value religion more than others. For them, it is important that the members of society abide by religious practices because they consider religion to be an important aspect of life. The enforcement of religious values can directly affect day-to-day behavior in society, such as the way people dress and how they act, e.g. not drinking and eating certain things. In a country such as the United Kingdom, religious values are less likely to be followed as it is largely a secular country. Contrast the UK with a country such as Iran, where religion is very important and following religious practices is highly valued and enforced. Norms in macrosociology, key concepts. Norms may be slightly easier to define than the previous concepts, and they are also important to sociologists when studying societies. Norms refer to the standard, customary, or expected behaviors in certain situations. Examples of norms include giving up a bus or train seat for someone more vulnerable, e.g. pregnant, elderly, or disabled person, putting your phone on silent when in a cinema, not using inappropriate words around children, e.g. swear words, cleaning up after yourself when using a public place, e.g. a library, taking off your shoes before entering someone's house, is common in many Asian societies and cultures. Socialization in macrosociology, key concepts. Socialization refers to the process through which we learn our society's culture, norms, and values. Primary socialization. Primary socialization is the process of socialization that we undergo during the early stages of our lives. At this point, the main institution that is responsible for our socialization is our family. Through our family, we acquire language skills, the ability to be around different people, basic behaviors such as sharing, having conversations, and taking care of yourself. The family, through primary socialization, equips us with essential and basic life skills that are developed through secondary socialization. Secondary socialization. Secondary socialization is the process of socialization that we begin roughly when we start school. It is a lifelong process as we constantly learn about the wider society's norms and values. Once we begin the process of secondary socialization, we interact with various institutions in society that contribute to it. These institutions are referred to as agencies of socialization. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.